Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to For the Love of Dogs with Yana. I'm here today with my pup, my faithful pup Lord, and I'm going to show you guys another recipe that I decided to prepare for my dogs. Okay, so welcome to my kitchen. Let's begin. Lord, did you say hi? Did you say hi? The cat is here too. I also have a cat. They're going to be working together. So the ingredients for this recipe, I have 3 pounds of beef. It's 80% beef, 20% fat. I have the seasoning, 1 cup of white rice, 1 cup of mixed peas and carrots, 2 cups of sweet potato or 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes, 2 cups of broccoli. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of virgin olive oil. It's actually a mixture of canola and olive oil. So here we go. And the Kiba is here too. Kiba decided to join us. So about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to combine all the ingredients. Okay. Broccoli. And rice. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of seasoning. 1, 2. This will require about 4 cups of water. So I'm going to add it right now. Okay. I'm going to give it a little stir. The cooking time is going to be about 45 minutes. And I'm going to show you the end result. So I started feeding my dogs homemade food. I believe that I pick very simple ingredients that you can find. I know exactly what goes in there. When I used to buy them canned food, you know, I would open up the can, I couldn't tell what it was. It was just brown mess. It looked like a pate of some sort. When I cook now, I add different ingredients and I'm able to see this is meat, this is vegetables, little pieces of rice. So, and so far my pets have been doing well. They haven't had any diarrhea or any kind of stomach issues. Their fur looks amazing. So, of course, I'm not a registered dietitian. The disclaimer is, you know, this is my personal choice. You could definitely speak to your veterinarian or a licensed professional in terms of your dog's diet. But this is what I have been doing for my dogs. So, take a note. Try it out. See how it goes. Let me know. And it was good seeing everybody. Remember, adopt, don't shop. And thank you for watching my channel, For the Love of Dogs with Yana. See you next time. Wait, and I'm going to show you the end results in a few, okay? Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to For the Love of Dogs with Yana. I just wanted to show you the end result of today's meal. Voila. As you can see, it looks amazing. You're able to see all the vegetables and all the different ingredients in the meat. Look at this. This is incredible. You're able to see carrots and peas and sweet potatoes. And you're able to see, put broccoli in there as well. Where's our broccoli? You're able to see the broccoli in there. So it's definitely a healthier option to feed your dogs. And I hope that this easy recipe works for you. I hope your puppies ultimately enjoy it and they are very healthy, okay? Stay tuned for more recipes with different ingredients. And thanks for watching For the Love of Dogs with Yana. Till soon.